Hello everyone, welcome in, welcome in. It is finally the reveal for the sunflower themed journal kits. I've been home maybe 30 minutes from the mountains and they're not even listed yet. I'm hoping to get a raw listing in tonight for those of you that see this in the morning so that you know where to go. If you are one of the subscribers that does this every month and you use PayPal, just go ahead and do that. I need to get a count of how many are sold. I have a rough estimate of how many are sold. I'm not sure how many to put into my Etsy shop, so that's going to vary a little bit, guys. So don't panic if you go in and you don't see any. Shoot me a message and I'll let you know. Hopefully that makes sense. Anyway, it's a beautiful kit this month, I have to say. So this is your journal. There's your sunflower. We've got some black lace, sari silk I used. You've got the scraps. Let me show you. This is just filled with just goodness. But let me show you really quickly. These are your scraps, double-sided right there. This, again, double-sided. These are all double-sided scraps. But I used, this is the first month I've used a digital. So you've got two of those. So that's why the scraps are a little bit limited this month, because I did use a digital in your journals. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is a 10 by, I believe, 5. Let me just double check. Single signature. Let me double check this. I'm pretty sure it's a 5. It could be a 6, but I think it's 5. Yeah, it's a 5. So 10 by 5. Sari silk on the outside. The sari silks vary, and the pages to a certain extent vary, but not by much. Not by much. They're all pretty much the same. So let's go through this. Let me get this out of here. So there's a you're getting a 1/8 inch score tape. I know that there may be several of you that have never used score tape, so I think this is a good chance to do that. I did the 1/8 because when you're doing pockets and you want as much space as possible, I think the 1/8 is good, and I think it's really a good size for those of you that don't know if you're gonna like score tape or not. So I'm gonna put that, I don't want the glare, so maybe, I hope y'all aren't getting glare from that. So let's just go through her. She's really pretty. There is your digital. And the digitals are throughout. Cardstock, another digital. Here is a vintage dictionary page, digital and lined paper. You can see how pretty these are. Isn't that cute with the bunny? There's a bag. And I did put washi tape. There's pocket. Yep, I used washi tape in these, guys. And the washi tape varies from journal to journal. There is your center signature. Pocket. Bag. Double signatures are in this, I think. Is this two? No, this is one. One big one. Cute, cute, cute. Another pocket, patina on the paper. So there you go. I did not use a lot of like coffee dyed paper because I figure if you are a writer, the backside of your digital is perfect for that. If you're not a writer, the backside of your digital is perfect for adding papers. So if you want your journal to grow, get some washi tape and just attach pages to all of these. Super, super simple to do. So that is the journal. Really, really, really cute. Then a package of score tape. The extras, I'll put that under there because then you won't get a glare. Then a cool bag, and inside this bag there are 2 cards. Aren't they adorable? Look at that. And you could easily add those to your journals, make flips out of them. You can make tags out of them. You can add your envelopes and use them as the pockets. So they've got there's 2 envelopes and 2 really, really beautiful cards. And then there are 2 of these cards. They do open up. You can write. Aren't they just so pretty? This has lanterns. This has a butterfly. And the cards will vary. Really just cute, cute, guys. Cute. Then we've got Tim Holtz in this pack. I think there's 3 Tim Holtz items. So there's some collage paper here. Each kit has 3 sheets of collage paper, and the collage paper will vary. Really has nothing to do with your sunflower design, but I thought collage paper is something that not everybody's worked with, so I thought in the kit it would be cute. Ephemera comes in this plastic pouch. And inside of here, oh my goodness, there's so much going on inside of here. So let's start with this. So 5, you've seen me work on these with stamping. 5 labels. There are 3 labels per page, and there's 5 in each page. 5 in each group. So you've got that. Then you have got stickers. So you've got washi stickers. I believe there are 4 different washi stickers here. Just cute, cute, cute. Sunflower, of course. And then you've got stickers. So, come on. I know you want to come out. So we've got some butterflies on flowers. Here's a butterfly, and there's some more flowers. So there's about 4 stickers in there. And then this little envelope, and don't be, make sure that you use your glycine bags in your journals as well, because you can do a lot with these. There are corners. Look at these. Aren't these as cute as can be? So I believe there are 2 sets of, I call them filigree corners. They don't have to be corners, but I believe most of them are pairs. So you've got a pair there and a pair here. So they'd be really cute like on a page. So there are 2 pair of those. And yes, I did. Look what I did. I created. I just love these so much. I created, this could be used as a tag, and then you've got your charm that will go over your journal. So like this could be a bookmark, and then this would come over your journal, or you could take this off. You could put a hole anywhere that you wanted and attach it, but I made it to kind of go like this, but it's yours. You do what you want. They're all just a little bit different, but pretty similar. The beads are pretty similar. There's a button, there's a bobbin, there's a charm there. Here, each one has a charm. This one happens to say brave. These beads were from a necklace of my mother's, so that's kind of cool. There's a dice, there's a glass bead there, and there's a key. Each one's got a key, but they vary. Here's a leaf, a copper leaf. Each one's got a copper leaf, but those vary as well. So really, really, really cute for your journal. And then you see me working with this, and I wanted you to have the opportunity to work with this as well. This is the Tim Holtz paper distressor, and you've got several different blades in here. So, yeah, that comes. And then I had done these 1 month before, and I think they're great. So I believe each kit's got 3 of these. Yeah, and they're pretty sturdy. So you can make tags out of these, you can fold them up, make pockets, you can cut them up and do all sorts of different things. So each kit has got 3 of those. So guys, let me know what you think. I think this is a great journal. I think it's just filled with so many fun things for you. And yeah, you know, I put these together and I always would love to know what you're thinking. The score tape I love. I love the distressor. So I know this is short. I know this is just kind of a wonky video, but I wanted to get this on. I promised you it would be on by Tuesday morning, or excuse me, Monday morning. So it is, I'm just tired. I'm kind of fried. So any questions you have, let me know in the comments and I will get to them. So take care. I hope you love this September kit. I just think the kits keep getting better and better and better. Let me know in the comments. And I'm glad to be back, guys. I've got a lot of news coming up. So I will see you in the next one. Big hugs, guys, and thanks for your support. Bye.